Good evening viewers and students. Welcome to the channel Smart Learning. This is a completely free educational channel. Today's subject is French language and the topic is article défini, that is definite article of the French grammar. This is a very important topic of the French grammar. Today's class will be helpful for the school level students 6 to 8 who are studying French as second or third language. This will be also helpful for the college level students and management students, especially hotel and tourism management students also. Before starting today's lesson, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers and students to like, share and subscribe the channel Smart Learning. I'm giving thanks to all of my viewers and students who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. I'm requesting also to newcomers to the channel Smart Learning to like, share and subscribe also, so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it in time. Let's start the today's lesson. Thank you. Let's start the today's lesson. Article défini. This definite article. The first article is le. Le is for masculine singular. Masculine singular. There is object which is masculine category and singular number. Next one is la for feminine and singular. Okay. Third one is L apostrophe, masculine and feminine both, starting with vowel or H mute. Okay. L apostrophe is used for the object starting with vowel, male or female, it may be masculine or feminine category, but starting with vowel and H mute. And next one is les, le is for masculine and feminine plural. Okay, that's all for the rules of the definite article, article défini in French grammar. Before starting for the or going for the discussion in details or going to the going to solve some exercises, I am telling you one thing, that is, in French grammar all the objects or things are classified into two categories, either masculine or feminine. There is no space of neuter gender in the French grammar. Okay. So, as per gender and number, that is masculine, singular or plural, you have to select the article. Lo is for masculine singular, la for feminine singular. I am repeating once again. L apostrophe for masculine and feminine both, starting with vowel, the word starting with vowel or H mute, and les for the masculine and feminine plural. Okay. That's all for the rules of the definite article in French grammar. Now I am giving you some examples. Le père, the father. Le livre, the book. La mère, the mother. La chaise, the chair. L apostrophe. L'hôtel, the hotel. This H mute example. L'oiseau is a bird starting with vowel. And whenever plural, we are making plural you can put S in general to make it plural. Say les livres, the books. But if we make the plural of this type of word, that is les oiseaux, it will take X at the end point to make it plural. The pronunciation will be les oiseaux, but it is not taking S. In general, it is taking S, but exceptional words are there in French grammar. Oiseau is an exceptional word. So whenever we are making plural, we are putting the definite article plural, les, before it and making it plural with the X. Okay. You will take it down in your copy. Now we will be solving some exercises on definite article or articlo defini. This type of question comes in examination. Complétez avec l'article défini. Number 1, question I am giving you. Complétez avec l'article défini means complete, the blank spaces will be given, complete with definite article. Okay. Is a sentence. Say the blank space is given at the first. Chia est à côté de la table. You have to put the definite article in the blank space. So Chia is dog. It is a singular, that is one dog, and dog is male. So you have to put, as per grammatical rule, le in the blank space. Le chien est à côté de la table. The dog is beside the table. Number 2. J'aime, blank space is given, langue française. J'aime is I like or I love. I like French language. Française is, langue is language, française is French. French language. The French language, it is the feminine. So you have to use la. J'aime la langue française. Okay. Number 3. Blank space is given. Cuisine sont délicieuses. Cuisine means some food items, these cookings, some items, cooked food, cuisines are delicious. But what will be the definite article in the blank space? You have to select. This is a cuisine delicious. This is a plural. So you have to put L-E-S. Okay. L-E-S. But this is a feminine and plural. So L-E-S. L-E-S in the both the cases is male or female, but cuisine is female. So les cuisines sont délicieuses. The cooked foods are delicious. Is the number 4, LM, here the blank space is given, oiseau. Oiseau is a word starting with vowel. So you have to put L apostrophe as a definite article. LM, l'oiseau. She likes the bird. Okay. Blank space is given at the beginning, Hôtel et Grand. So you have to put here the definite article. What will be H mute? So you have to put L apostrophe. L'hôtel est grand. The hotel is big. Next sentence, the blank space is given here and another blank space is here. Étudiants sont dans classe. You have to put the definite article. So, étudiants it is plural, so you have to put les, les. Les étudiants sont dans classe. Classe is female, feminine, so you have to put la. Les étudiants sont dans la classe. The students are in the class. Okay, that's all for today's class. I'll be coming with a new video and new topic in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.